All right, Tim, second video here. The controls and everything are new. Hopefully, let's see, I'll turn the switches on. Hopefully you can see the motors trim up and down perfectly. They work separately. They work off one button right there, just like they're supposed to. And then I'm gonna fire this up. It has not been started. Starboard motor, port motor, and your trim indicators do work. If you watch those upper blue bars, they do work. Everything works. Fuel gauges work. Everything works there. All right, I'm gonna go back here. Just see that they're both peeing. Hopefully. All right, I'm gonna go through some switches.